A Purple Heart turns up in an antique shop, a storage unit, or a box at a flea market. It's a medal awarded for being wounded in combat, and it should never be sitting on a shelf with a price tag on it. If you're holding one, understand what you have. Every Purple Heart was awarded to a specific person for a specific event. Many are engraved on the back with the recipient's name. Some come with the original case, the citation, or the award document, and those carry a service number and a unit. A name and a service era is enough to start. Military service records are held by the National Personnel Records Center, and while privacy rules limit what's released for living veterans, records for those who served long ago are far more open. Unit histories and casualty lists can confirm the event the medal was awarded for. From the veteran's name, you find the obituary, and from the obituary, you find the surviving family, children, grandchildren, sometimes a widow still living. There are organizations dedicated entirely to this work who reunite lost medals with families, and they're worth contacting. But the bottleneck is almost always the same: finding the living descendants. That's a locate, and it's the part that stalls most people. Families receive these back, and it means something that's hard to describe. Locator Skip Tracing has been finding families since 2004. If you're holding a medal that belongs to somebody's grandfather, we'll help you find them.